And another one. And another one. Cause we just some 90s babies. Yeah, we just some 90s babies.
What's going on? This is Paul Rodriguez. We're here in Sao Paulo. We're about to do our first demo of the Ruta Pan America tour with Nike SB. I'm very excited. Hope you guys enjoy.
Since 1992, I've been inclined to resign, but I'm never through. Never will I bow to you. My time is now so follow me into tomorrow. Your mind is so hollow. You couldn't see that I would be making fallacies into a reality. It's an abnormality. My mentality's duality is practically splitting. The fact that we spitting, never getting our just due. We need to just do to get y'all to adjust to the real. Feel it in your spirit. Get your head bobbing every time you fucking hear it. Every time you near it, you'll near it, you'll finish. Your gimmicks and you'll never be winning, so my position is pole. No, my vision is rose gold. Told it just for to never get what I work for. But critics are hating, it's simple and blatant. The words for the taking, don't mind if I take it.
Bring it back to the future, forward to the past. Don't ever slack and let yourself cast. Options go first and the problems come last. Why you so gassed? That's all I gotta ask. Cause we just some 90s babies. Yeah, we just some 90s babies. Yeah, we just some 90s babies. And I can't get with times lately. FOY stuck in 9 zeros of time. See, our talents to equilibrium, but races divide. Reaching out of orbit while normal forms just aim for the sky. We show the color of skin is and what it's taking to rhyme. Put my patience aside, just waiting for your fame to arrive. It's mistaken a lie, and on top of that, they claim what they not. Man, y'all got it twisted, no celeb is instant overnight. Peep the statistics, just listen, we ain't the folks to lie. You catch me sipping while PH and LB poking lie. And then we vocalize, promote it and roll it localized. Mostly mine are closed because they know I got an open mind. People DMing, should I exit logo, show me signs, rapping in double standard, which actually means you can't. So if you ask to get on the track, it's a fact that it's getting canceled, no answer. Unless you're someone that I care for. Y'all should know the name, so don't plaster it on the pen. Bring it back to the future, forward to the past. Don't ever slack and let yourself cast. Options go first and the problems come last. Why you so gassed? That's all I gotta ask. Cause we just some 90s babies. Yeah, we just some 90s babies. Yeah, we just some 90s babies. And I can't get with times lately.